Encountering issues with accessing shared folders on Windows 11, I'll provide insights on resolving this problem and ensuring smooth access to shared folders. Stay tuned for a quick solution to fix the shared folder accessibility issue on Windows 11. Open the File Explorer and select either the drive or folder on your computer that you want to share. This guide will select the folder properties. In the New Properties window, select the Sharing tab. Click on the Advanced Sharing button in the middle of the window. This will open the Advanced Sharing window. Click the checkbox at the top of the window to enable Share this folder. Enter a share name underneath Settings for the drive or folder you want to share. You can limit the amount of users who can have access to the shared folder by changing the number on the right. Then click the Permissions button under Comments to open another small window. You can choose Everyone to allow everyone on the network to have access, or choose a select few by click on their usernames. Enable permissions for everyone by checking all boxes under Allow. Click on Apply to save the changes. Click OK to close the Permissions for Saved Pictures window. In Advanced Sharing again, click Apply, then OK to apply the settings. If you decided to share a drive, you will see a shared icon on the bottom part of the screen. Select the drive or folder on your computer that you want to share. Right-click on the drive or folder and select Properties. Select the Security tab on the Properties window. Click on Edit in the middle to change permissions. Click on the Add button. In the new Select Users or Groups pop-up window, select Advanced at the bottom. A new window will appear. Click on Find Now to the right. A series of search results will appear at the bottom of window. Scroll down until you locate Everyone. Select Everyone in the list and then click OK. You'll go back to the Select Users or Groups window. Select OK. You will see everyone listed in the Security window under Group or Usernames. Select Everyone and then check all the Allow boxes in the Permissions for Everyone box. Click Apply at the bottom of the window to save the changes. Click OK to close the Permissions window. Click the magnifying glass icon on the taskbar. In the search bar, type Advanced Sharing Settings and select the first entry you see. Click on All Networks to expand the options. Select the Turn On Sharing option under Public Folder Sharing. Scroll down to Password Protected Sharing and select Turn Off Password Protected Sharing. Hit Save Changes at the bottom. Close Advanced Sharing Settings and restart your computer. Open your search bar by clicking on the magnifying glass icon and search for Advanced Sharing Settings. If on a private network, click Private to bring down the menu. Select Turn on File and Printer Sharing underneath Filer and Printer Sharing if not already selected. Click Save Changes on the bottom. If you're on a public network, click Guest or Public. Then select Turn on File and Printer Sharing if already not chosen. Hit Save Changes. Close Advanced Sharing Settings, then restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.